How to start your car with a dead key. A dead key fob can be frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry. But don't worry, it's a common issue with a simple fix. In this short video, we'll show you how to start your car even if your key fob isn't working. This is the Auto Repair YouTube channel. Subscribe for more car tips and let's get started. 1. Check the battery. Before assuming your key fob is completely dead, try the easiest solution first. Replace the battery. Most key fobs use small coin-type batteries which are inexpensive and easy to find. 2. Use the hidden key. Many modern key fobs have a built-in mechanical key. Look for a small latch or button on the fob, release it and pull out the key. This can manually unlock your car doors. 3. Try the backup start method. Most vehicles have a backup way to start the car if the key fob isn't working. Here's how. Use the key fob slot. If your car has a designated slot, place the key fob inside and press the start button while holding the brake. Hold the key fob against the start button. If there's no key slot, try pressing the key fob directly against the start button while holding the brake. This can help transmit a signal for the car to recognize it. 4. Check your owner's manual. Your car's manual provides specific instructions for starting your vehicle with a dead key fob. It may also include information on replacing the key fob battery. 5. Call roadside assistance. If you're still unable to start your car, contact roadside assistance for help. They can get you back on the road quickly. A dead key fob doesn't have to leave you stranded or frustrated. With a little knowledge and some handy backup methods, you can easily take care of the situation and get back on the road in no time. Whether it's using the mechanical key inside the fob, relying on a spare fob, or even trying some basic troubleshooting tips, these solutions can save you from a major inconvenience. If this video helped you diagnose your car problems, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or questions in the comments section below. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next video.